welcome to my channel Art Social. Today I am going to teach you mandala very easily without having any proper tools. We are going to start mandala by using a screwdriver, a brush and one earbud. It is very easily available in each of our houses, and we can use these tools to make mandala. It's very easy and easily available. So using these tools we can simply make mandala. Many times we are not a professional artist, we don't have every tool and we need not buy the tool. My main focus is to bring art to every house so that they can easily do art and craft without having proper equipments. So let's get started. Let me teach you how to do easily and simply mandala by using brush tip, by using screwdriver, by using earbud and by using eyebrow pencil. Friends, we know while doing mandala we require proper symmetry. So we will require one scale so that we can take the full measurement of our sheet. Then we require one compass and one white color pencil, because dark color pencil will not be visible on black sheet.